Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 8th to the 12th of January 2024 on Monday. The police discovery raises more questions than answers while Khululi'S gives the family false hope. New winds are starting to blow Nobuntu's way on Tuesday. Stembe and Imam Prophet are confronted with a shocking revelation. Khululi'S makes serious accusation at the council, blaming them for killing his brother on Wednesday. Mabuse refuses to hear anything about mourning her husband or sitting on the mattress. Difa's heart is shattered by the loss of Siphamandla, and Khululi'S is determined to have the council arrested for the murder of his brother on Thursday. Turmoil in the Mthembu house as Mabuse loses her mind. Zoto becomes her source of strength. Succession talks start to take place on Friday. Prayers gallo to Mthembu for various reasons. Whether or not those will be answered remains to be seen. Nobuntu takes the bull by its thorns or horns. Will her gamble pay off? Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.